Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making roast turkey breast with cranberry soy glaze. Thanksgiving is coming up here in America, but you might not be having a traditional whole roast turkey dinner this year due to the pandemic. This dish is a great alternative for a smaller gathering or just for you and your family. These are the ingredients. We use boneless and skinless turkey breasts today, but if you are lucky to find the breast with the skin on, that will be better as they have a lot more flavor. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we will brine the turkey. Mix water and salt in a large bowl and add the turkey breast in it. Let soak for 4 hours in the fridge. Remove the turkey from the brine and pat dry with a paper towel to remove any moisture from the meat. Place the turkey on a baking sheet with an aluminum foil and liberally rub the oil on the surface of the meat. You can use any neutral flavored oil you have at home. Bake in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we are making the sauce. Put all the ingredients for the sauce in a medium saucepan. This is similar to typical teriyaki sauce, but we are adding the cranberry sauce because it's Thanksgiving and butter. Surprisingly, they go very well together, just like sweet and sour. Turn on the heat and cook until slightly thickened, stirring constantly, and let cool. Remove the turkey from the oven. Turn the temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the sauce all over the surface. You can also use a spoon. Put them back in the oven, this time on the top rack at higher temperature for 2 minutes, and repeat twice. Watch carefully not to burn. Let rest for 10 minutes. Slice the meat on a cutting board and serve. You can serve with some green vegetables, mashed potatoes, rice, or anything you like. You can pour the remaining sauce over or serve on the side. Together with this dish, we are making the Japanese-style Thanksgiving bento. More recipes are coming soon.